Look at them all. That's amazing.
All the way there. And there's lots of dolphins.
When you go up to Alaska, you're going through the insect passage.
Look at it. Wow, look, zoom way out there, can I? Oh, look at all of them jumping.
They're all up here beside us.
Start watching.
I have to
You can come in here if you want to see. Yeah, feel free.
plane.
In a plane. Yeah, that's right. There's the plane.
We went on a plane before.
That's right. Well, are they gone now?
I know, I heard it on the napkin. I was like, oh, he's going to take off and I'm almost at my ear.
You see them still?
Can I come too tomorrow?
Wow. That was pretty cool, eh, McKenna?
Oh, they're gone now.
Well, they just wanted to play with us for a little bit, I guess.